Hi, what we have here is the Bissell Liftoff Multi-Cyclonic PET canister vacuum. I just have the canister part because the actual upright unit that this would normally attach to went under in a flood and quit working, so I'm left with this. But I do have a solution, and I'll show you in a minute. It uses 12 amps of power, 120 volts, I believe. Right here you have your dust cup. And up in here you have your, I believe this is the Cyclone unit that makes all the dust and dirt spin. So that just snaps back in there like that. And the dust cup pushes in there. There's a lever that slides. Right here you have a filter. This is just a washable sponge filter. So that just slides in there. Up here you have the push button that releases the canister from the upright unit. You have your power button and your brush button on and off. Around back you have your second filter. Just a filter. I believe this is a HEPA filter. So you have your hose, and you have your little manufacturing tag. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 12 amps. And here you have a 25-foot power cord, I believe it is. And on bottom you have the unit, or the plug that attaches to the upright unit. So this just so I'm going to pause the video and then I will plug it in and show you how it works. Alright, I'm back and I have the unit plugged in. This is the extension wand, which this piece screws one way. And I'm going to set the camera down so I can get this undone. Alright, so now that it's undone, it just slides to save space. Then twists to the right to lock it into place. Down here I have, this is actually the head to a shop vac unit, and I have it taped to this, but it works quite well. So the hose right here. Here's the hose, which the wand just plugs into. And I will be demoing this unit. Show you how it works. I just vacuumed this rug today, so I don't know how much dirt I will lift out of it. But I am going to do from this corner of the rug over to about here, down to here, and here. So that is... Oh, and this is a very light unit, so you can carry it along with you when you're canister vacuuming. So I will turn the vacuum on. So that's that. So we have the dust cup here. We slide the lever to the left, pull the dust cup out, and there's about that much dust in it. There's a little bit of pet hair there. I have 3 cats and 2 dogs that are all indoor animals, so vacuuming is a priority. Excuse me. So, as you can see, this unit does a very good job of vacuuming, and thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment if you have one.